standing outside your door when you hear the doorbell. The sound of the doorbell traveled to you. Can you guess how it traveled? It traveled through air. Yes, here the medium of propagation is air. Sound requires a medium for propagation. Is the medium always air? Not necessarily. The medium of propagation of sound can be solids, liquids or gases. Yes, sound can also travel through solids and liquids. Before we get to that, let us see some other examples of sound propagating through air. Remember, air is nothing but a mixture of gases. Sound of the siren when the train is approaching you, sound of glass breaking, sound of the firecracker, etc. are some of the examples where the medium of propagation is air. Sound can also propagate through liquids. Let us do one experiment to see this. We place the bell in the water like this so that it does not touch the base of the container. Now keep one of your ears close to the surface of water and shake the bell inside. Do you hear the sound? Yes, you do. Here, the medium of propagation is water. What instrument does the doctor use to check the rate of your heartbeat? Yes, it's called a stethoscope. Doctors place the small disc-shaped object called a turnable diaphragm against your chest. The sound of your heartbeat travels through the tube and can be heard from the two earpieces. So can you guess the medium of propagation of sound here? Yes, here the medium of propagation is a solid. The tube through which the sound travels is the solid. Now suppose you're standing on one side of a brick wall and your friend on another side with one of his ears close to the surface of the wall. Hit the wall with some wooden object. Ask your friend if he hears the sound on the opposite side. I'm sure he will say yes. Here the medium of propagation is again a solid. So with the help of a few examples, we saw that sound can travel through solids, liquids and gases. But does it mean that sound can travel through anything and everything? The answer is resounding no. The sound cannot travel through vacuum. What is a vacuum? It is a space from where all or most of the matter is removed. Example is outer space. Yes, we cannot hear sound in outer space. That is why they say, in space, no one can hear you scream. In the next video, we are going to talk about some important properties of sound known as amplitude and frequency. See you there.